house, get me the noise, KYBBA. Busy signal, Sean Paul.
KYBBA, how you bad, sir?
Get it lit, boy. Love your vibe, yeah. We the best, boy. Give me the light, yeah. And we turn it up every time, every time. And we bust it up, watch it hype, watch it. Ha! Bad. Anyway, them see me, be a me gun, them a chat. Bad. Busting up the place with me style, bad. What kind of thing that style where we fling back? Passion and the position, the girl them a fi bring that. Bad. Busting up the place with me style, bad. Oi, this ain't no toy. Mash up the place, give the people joy. Love it when the girl them does a bubble pan it and them does a juggle pan it. Work it at me employ.
Mashing up the party. So me have to roll out, they are with me shorty. Anytime we pass through the place is a blood clot vibe.
We keep the party alive. Ha! Bad. Anyway, them see me, be a me gun, them a chat. Bad. Busting up the place with me style, bad. What kind of thing that style where we fling back? Passion and the position, the girl them a fi bring that. Bad. Busting up the place with me style.
KYBBA look fresh and never clean. You seen the girl them a rap in, you mean? Ever controlling the entire scene. And I'm on a poly money, my money real. Where you feel it squeal, you get the face to steal. Me not steal bars, I am the real deal. Girl them love me, but give them the real feel. Go down pan and knee, push up, bring it back. She want piece of me a lenadi. Bad. Yeah, when me put it on she and she put it on me and I give it some way. She want me ugly, if it bump the ugly, come me.
Bad. Anyway, them see me, be a me gun, them a chat. Bad. Busting up the place with me style, bad. What kind of thing that style where we fling back? Passion and the position, the girl them a fi bring that. Bad. Busting up the place with me style, bad. Get it lit, boy. Love your vibe, yeah. We the best, boy. Give me the light, yeah. And we turn it up every time, And we bust it up, watch it hype, watch it. Ha!
KYBBA, how you bad, sir?
Hallo iedereen, Sarah en Bolo hier en superleuk dat je naar onze nieuwe video hebt gekeken op ons YouTube kanaal. Vergeet zeker geen duimpje omhoog te doen en een lieve reactie achter te laten. Klik hier om je te abonneren en klik hier voor een nieuwe video.